morning children. In the previous video we learnt the derivation of the formula to solve quadratic equations. So today we will learn how to make use of this formula to solve quadratic equations. So I have already written here solve using formula. Formula is already written. Now question number 1. 5x plus 2 equal to minus 2x squared. It is not in the equation is not in the general form. So let us bring it in the general form. Therefore this will come here. It is minus 2x squared. So when it comes to this side, it will be plus 2x squared. Then plus 5x plus 2 equal to 0. This is in the general form. So comparing this equation, comparing the equation 2x squared plus 5x plus 2, yes, with the general form, that is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have got values of a, that coefficient of x squared is equal to as 2. Value of b is equal to as coefficient of x, that is plus 5. And value of c is equal to the constant number 2 given. Yes, now we got the values of a, b, c. So we can substitute this all values in the formula. So write the formula first. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is equal to as x is equal to minus b. B value, put in a bracket, b value is 5. Plus or minus root of, under the root. What is b? 5. 5 the whole square, right? Like this way, right? Minus. Here also put the bracket. 4 into a is 2 into c is again 2. The root must come up to here. Upon 2a. 2 into a value is 2. So we have substituted the values of a, b, c here. Now let us remove the bracket and solve it. So minus into plus will be minus 5. Plus or minus under root 5 square is 25. Minus, in the bracket you solve first. 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. Upon 2 to the 4 here. So it is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root of, now 25 minus 16. Plus into minus is minus. Upon this 4 as it is. Now this is equal to minus 5 plus or minus root of 25 minus 16 is equal to 9, sign of the greater number. Both the numbers have different signs. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. So upon 4 now. Now this is equal to minus 5 plus or minus 9 is a perfect square number. So it comes out of the root as 3 upon 4. So this is equal to minus 5 plus 3 upon 4, or x is equal to minus 5 minus 3 upon 4. So x is equal to, now both the signs, now solve this. Both the numbers have different signs. Subtract and put the sign of the greater number. So it is minus 2 by 4. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. So it is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here, or minus minus, both the numbers have same sign, add and put the same sign. So it is minus 8 by 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So, x is equal to minus 2. Therefore, we got the value of x as, you can put arrows as in this form. We have got the value of x in this form. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1 by 2, or it is minus 2. This is the value of x we have got. The quadratic equations. The solution is the use of the formula. Now let us solve second example. Y squared minus 3 by 2y minus 9 by 2 equal to 0. Let us bring this equation in the simplest form by multiplying it by the LCM of the denominators. So, LCM of 2 and 2 is 2 only, so multiply the equation by 2. So, it is 2y squared minus 3y. 2 will go away. Here also minus 9 equal to 0. Now we got the equation in the general form. So comparing 2y square minus 3y minus 9 equal to 0 with the ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. We have a value as equal to 2, b value is equal to minus 3 and c value equal to minus 9. In this way we have got the values of a, b, c. Now write the formulas. Here the variable is y. So we will write it as y equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. So y is equal to minus b. Now listen, this minus sign is of the formula. So we will put the bracket and b value is equal to minus 3. Put it in the bracket in this way. Plus or minus root of, and again you put the bracket for b value. Substitute the value of b as minus 3 the whole square. Minus again in the bracket. 4 into a value is 2 into c value is minus 9 upon 2 into a value is 2n. So this is equal to minus into minus, here it becomes plus. Plus or minus under root. Minus 3 square will give you 9. Minus, in the bracket you solve first. 4 2s are 8, 8 9s are 72, but minus 72 because here minus sign is there. Upon this whole thing upon 4. Now y is equal to as 3 plus or minus, it is 9 minus into minus, to open the bracket, minus to minus, it is plus 72 upon 4. So this is equal to 3 plus or minus. Now add this 81 upon 4. Now look at this 81. It is a perfect square number. So 3 plus or minus root of it is 9 by 4. So y is equal to 3 plus 9 by 4 or 3 minus 9 by 4. Now when we solve it, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 by 4 we get, or it is minus 6 by 4. So when we cancel this, 4 1s are 4 3s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Therefore, here we got the value of y as it is 3 or it is minus 3 by 2. So, this is the value of y we have got. So, therefore, y is equal to as 3 or minus 3 by 2. These are the two roots of this quadratic equation. Now, let us practice one more question. So, question number 3. Now, see here, it is 5m squared minus 4m minus 2 equal to 0. So, again in the same way, this is simple given in the general form. So, comparing 5m squared minus 4m minus 2 equal to 0 with the ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, we have got value of a equal to 5, value of b equal to minus 4 and value of c equal to minus 2. Now, let us write the formula. X, here the variable is m. So, m is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b squared minus 4ac upon 2a. The whole thing upon 2a. So, m is equal to as minus b. Again, put it in the bracket. Value of b is equal to minus 4. Plus or minus root of b square. B value put it in the bracket minus b the whole square minus again the bracket, open the bracket, 4 into a value is 5 into c value is minus 2. This whole thing upon 2 into a value is 5. Now, open the bracket here, minus into minus, this will be plus 4. Plus or minus under root minus 4 the whole square. So, 4 square is 16. Minus into minus plus. Minus in the bracket. 4 5s are 20. 22s is minus 40 here. Because here we have minus value. Minus sign. So, 2 5s are here 10. Now, this is 4 plus or minus under root. Open this bracket, 16 minus into minus it is plus 40 upon 10. Now, some of you children, maximum of you commit this mistake by cancelling this 4 and 10. It is wrong. It is in the binomial form. So, you cannot cancel this 4 with this 10. Now, so m is equal to as 4 plus or minus. Now, 16 plus 40. Add this under the root. It is equal to 56 upon 10 as it is. Now, this is equal to. Now, you have learned in 9th standard about the shirts to bring it in the simplest form. So, bring this under root this should in the simplest form. 4 plus or minus. Now it will be under root in this form. 56. 4 you can divide it by 4. 4 and the 4 carry 1. 4 4s are 16. Now if I bring this 14 in the simplest form also, 2 7 the 14. 2 and 7 are not square numbers. So therefore let us keep it in this form only. So, it is 4 into 14. 4 is a perfect square number. So, I can bring it out as 2 upon 10. So, it is equal to as 4 plus or minus. Now, 4 will come out as 2. Under root 14 will remain. This is upon 10. This is equal to. Now, again children, don't commit any mistake by cancelling 2 and 10 or 4 and 10. Or 14 or 10. So, now you can see this 4 and 2 are multiples of 2. That means you can bring out 2 as common. So bring out 2 as common. Uncommon, what is remaining? 2 2's is 4. 2 is gone out. Plus or minus 2 gone out as common. So nothing remains. So under root 14 will remain in this form upon 10. Now after bringing out common this 2 and 10, this we can cancel. So 2 1s are 2, 2 5s is 10. So it is equal to as 2 plus or minus root of 14 by 5 is left. So m is equal to as m is equal to as 2 plus root of 14 by 5, or it is 2 minus root of 14 by 5. In this way we cannot simplify this, so the numerator is in the binomial form. Therefore m is equal to as 2 plus root of 14 by 5, or it is 2 minus root of 14 by 5. So this is the value of m we have got.